Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll show you how to preview course content in CoachZippy. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to create a course, and I'm going to use this course as an example. So I'm logged into my CoachZippy account, and this is the course that I created earlier. I'm going to click on it to open it, and it's going to bring me to the information section. Here you'll see two preview links at the top. The first one leads you to the course sales page. As you can see, this is how the curriculum looks like on the sales page in the front end. Let's go back, and if you click the second link, it will give us a preview of the course content, and you can then browse through the various sections and lectures to see how it looks like as a logged-in student. Let's go back and go to the curriculum section. Another way to preview the course content is to check any of these boxes and then choose Preview, which will open the course content section, which I just showed you a moment ago. Another way to preview course content is to log in as a student, and you can check this video on the Student Enrollment Process. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.